Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So today we are cooking burgers but in mushadas. Mushada is oftenly used to describe Kenyan village side. So I decided to do a small barbecue with some friends at Kiambu County in Kenya. So let's dive right into it. We are here.
Hi. What's your name? What's your name?
Wacha nipeleke kuja tukule nyama. Takuwekea.
So the one that I got.
Happy birthday to you. Hii ni keki ya burger.
Let's jump right into it. The first step is to make the patties using minced meat and some seasoning. Then you form them into balls. You'll also need cheese for this recipe.
Take it, it's something like this, flip it up, pretty beautiful. I just like the way the browning is so awesome, you know? Yeah, and this other one, right there.
Brush it up with some seasoning using some dania as your brush to give it more flavor and an extra freshness. Throw in the burger buns on the grill just to get them toasted a bit.
Ati tumeitaje? Burger.
Burgers of Mushabas. And there you have it. The burgers of Mushabas is just like 2/3 of the total amount of burgers that we're supposed to flip today. So we're just getting onto it. This is just like the second half. And you know, today's gonna be a final. So what's the final? What's the final about? Is it burgers versus nyamas? There's more meat. I'm told we're going to go into extra time.
Game by the way.
That's the burgers of Mushabas, man. I think it's good. Bottom. Good hit.
Yeah man.
Ensure to control the heat, not to mess up the buns as we did.
Then it's some hip hop.
So hizo mbili ziko meant for each other.
Sijui mwana unasema ni disaster na nini.
Budo umeona hivi inakaa.
Manze hiyo kitu ni
Hata mshow.
hii imekuwa bika.
Lakini ukiscrape.
Unaweza
Watamu
scrape.
sana. You can still use it. Now.
Amani competition kila kona DC na sisi hawataki dizi yetu iflow kwenye mainstream, kwenye street dreams, swagi na the teeth grill, freak still. Amani kirikiri watakajifanya utabiri kaki na bushiri, uza inchi tu kwa senti mbili, ama kucheza mechi mbili kwenye flow flamboyance mpaka wanapata aesthetic feeling. Weka double tap.
Street dreams kwa hood swagi na the teeth grill. Take a pill for party and cut a freak still. Swagger Jordan kubali ama ni kirikiri watakajifanya utabiri kaki na bushiri viongozi sije uza inchi.
Please subscribe to Sasa Music on YouTube and enjoy this amazing artist lyrics.
Nyama sana.
Yeah, Budo lyrics sawa.
Ndio.
That's what's up.
Yeah, man.
Throw in the capsicum on the grill to ensure it gets a bit cooked and smoky, just to give it an extra flavor when used.
Together.
Alafu wekelea.
Tunateremsha na 50 years. Bang bang.
50 years of bang bang bang. The bottle got a bling. Yeah. The bottle got a bling, man. Yeah. The bottle.
Some of these parties are ready and we're going to give it a taste, definitely. It's absolutely amazing, delicious, juicy, spicy, and all sorts of goodness. This is the grill that we used. We got it from Carrefour at only 2,000 shillings. You can get yours. It's small enough, it's portable. You can go with it for a picnic. You can go with it for your outdoor activities. You can go with it for your team building activities and just roast some meat over there and just have fun like we did. As the burger patties are almost ready, let's get ready the vegetables that we're going to use by slicing the onions, the tomatoes, and the capsicum. Our patties are ready, so the next step is to assemble. As you can see, we put the meat patty, the one with the cheese on top. Then we topped it with the tomato, the onion, and the vegetable slice.
Smile.
You're smiling. Hi, smile. Peter.
Smile.
So the burgers are ready. We are ready to eat. Come, let's enjoy with us.
Sawa, wacha nipeleke. Kuja tukule nyama.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye.